this video, we learn how to give a presentation. Before starting, I want to say in your slide whatever you written but must have to speak in your word. That's why your presentation is very effective. Now start my presentation. Good afternoon everyone. My name is a student. My branch is computer science and engineering. My presentation topic is online shopping. Contents: online shopping, classification of online shopping, history of online shopping, how did online shopping starts, pros and cons, payment, tips of protecting yourself, price comparison, live demo and conclusion. First topic is what is online shopping. Online shopping or e-shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet without a intermediary service. Like example, some popular online shopping app. First is Myntra, Flipkart, Nykaa and Snapdeal, etc. History of online shopping. English entrepreneur Michael Adric invented online shopping in 1997. His system connected a modified a domestic TV to real-time transaction process. Computer by a domestic telephony line, he believed that video tags that modified domestic TV technology with a sample of menu-driven human-computer interface was a new universally applicable participative communicational medium that the first since the invention. How did online shopping start? Online shopping became popular during the internet boom in 1999 to 2000. Amazon.com, the online book store founded by Jeff Bezos, created the history by becoming the first bookstore with the presence of only the internet. Following the success of Amazon, many bookstores with a presence only the internet. Following the success of Amazon, many bookstores with a physically presence also create an online presence on the internet. Later, portals such as Yahoo.com and Amazon.com. Online shopping. The advantage and disadvantage. First is shop 24/7. Anytime you want to shopping in easily way, comfortable of your own home, so many discounts available, privacy, easy to find, safe and types of virus. You know that our environment present in coronavirus. You also save this coronavirus in online shopping. Disadvantage: delay in delivery, shipping charge, delivery problem, scam, warranty issue. You don't see physically the items. Online shopping. Payment option: credit, debit, check, advance payment, cash and delivery. Tips for protection yourself. Shop smart, using only sites app you know and trust. Consider alternative payment. Avoid spam. Read privacy and security privacy. Price comparison. Using price comparison sites can help you find out deals and get your item at the lowest possible without having to go from a store to find out. The top price comparison site: Yahoo, Flipkart, Myntra, Nykaa. Example of online shopping. 1 minute. We go the Chrome. first and search you trust this app, any app you trust. I'm trusting app on Flipkart. I'm searching the Lakme uh, cream. I use because I have a dry skin. Here is the present video. You want to see it, your video is play image. Here the description is inequality at price available, discounts. You want to add a card, buy now, and many types of your full information is here. No return applicable. It's a disadvantage. Cash on delivery. See this. All information is available, and also a rating and a review. First, you anything you buy, first see is assured, yeah, assured, not first assured, then we buy, then see the review. Here is like a written is buy this product, wow, this product was superb, awesome, love it. And I'm also buy this product, left is like this, very good in weight package. I'm already opened it and see this product, and but some not any issue. I'm trusted this app and I'm buying this product. It's very good product, I using daily, that's why I'm buying it online. No effect any types of dangerous and no scam, good product. And then we go for the conclusion is here. We go the last session is with the conclusion. Okay, comparison, shopping and conclusion. Online shopping is a different experience, and you can make the shopping creative over the internet. As you get used to it, there can be lots of apprehension about online shopping when you get into it for the first time. As you experience more and more, those apprehension get disappeared slowly. Remember that it is you stick to basic, online shopping become a more enjoyable and easier than the real world shopping. And difference is Google. I'm searching on Google and reading and creating the presentation for you helping. And thank you for watching.